The skill you need to learn is graphic designing. And don't worry, you don't have to be an artist or invest in expensive tools. Free platforms like Canva and Photopea make it super easy to start. Here's your simple roadmap. Learn the basics. Spend a few days on YouTube tutorials about Canva or Photoshop. Build a portfolio, create some logos, social media posts, or thumbnails to show your skills. Start selling, sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or even reach out to local businesses on Facebook and WhatsApp. Deliver quality. Always meet deadlines and provide extra value to get good reviews. With just 2 to 3 small projects a day, you could earn $500 a month or even more. Once you gain experience, you can grow by selling templates on Etsy or Creative Market for passive income. This way you earn even while you sleep. Graphic design is a skill in high demand, and you can choose your own projects and clients to work with. Flexibility is a major perk of graphic designing. Work from anywhere and at any time that suits you. All you need is your creativity and a strong internet connection. Networking is vital. Connect with fellow designers and clients through social media. Join groups where you can learn and share tips and tricks with them. Invest in your skills by taking advanced courses once you feel confident about the basics. This will expand your opportunities and potentially increase your earning potential. So what are you waiting for? Start learning graphic designing today and take your first step toward online income. Comment guide below if you want free resources, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more online earning tips. Embrace your creative side and explore the endless possibilities that graphic designing offers. There's a world of opportunity waiting for you. Remember, every expert was once a beginner.